So this is the flash grid. Although we haven't actually tried it out yet, apparently you put this over a haha, that's good. You put it over one of these and it's meant to direct the direction of the flash, so then it will focus more on the face. So instead of the light going, say, left, right, up, down, every single direction, because it's this little honeycomb texture, unless it's going straight down these holes, it's going to reflect off and bounce off, which is really good if you want to highlight different. We'll highlight the whole face on this one. But I think that will definitely be interesting to try out and use. It'd be interesting to see if you could get, say, a gel on it as well, or it might be interesting to use with some barn doors, as that might, that would be interesting to see if it would work. Yeah, it's definitely something which I will use in my magazine, as I really want to focus on the face rather than what's behind them, things around them. I really want to focus on that, especially if I'm meant to be focusing on their face and what they're wearing.